So I just want to get your take on some of these deals, just the massive size of them, the energy demands, the numbers. I mean, what is this? Just how do you view as somebody in the tech space that I would imagine you have dealings with at least some of these companies?
Yeah, well, I mean, the war's on, right? And the war is for power, it's for compute, and it's for eyeballs, and it's for value. And you're seeing app stores show up. How do you provide more value? The war for compute, and fundamentally behind that is power consumption. But it is a very exciting time. Everything is being rethought relative to technology and its delivery.
All right. Any concerns that all this spending may not be as profitable? We just heard, actually, Gilbert Garcia was just here talking to us about the profitability of all this spending. Not that it won't work at all, but it may not be as profitable as believed to justify this level of CapEx spending.
Well, you can't have winners without losers. So obviously, I think there will be some very disappointed investors in this journey. I think there'll be some highly rewarded
But which
ones.
area? Is it chips? Because the chips have gone just too far, too fast. Is it software? Does AI basically reduce the need for software? Is it cybersecurity?
Yeah.
That it hasn't seemed to catch up with the rest of the AI trade.
I definitely think software is being rethought. So I think some of the big names have to either really innovate or die. So I think that'll be very interesting. Cybersecurity, the needs are greater than ever. So I think that is a little immune to the path that we'll have to innovate. I think the bigger issue is going to be who can really win at the consumer level, and that's where the battle's playing out. You see all of these attempts to unseat Google for control of those eyeballs. Mm-hmm. And I think the winners and losers of that are going to determine that outcome.
Well, you're speaking to that OpenAI news. So is that innovation, the fact that you're going to be able to go on ChatGPT and pick out a Spotify playlist, is that the innovation you're talking about? Or you might be able to go on to ChatGPT and say, hey, I need a shower curtain, and it goes to Target?
Yeah, I don't think the innovation that we're seeing now is representative of where this can go.
Well, where does it need to go then? Because if you're saying that's not that big of a deal, investors seem to like it for the most part. Figma jumped,
yeah,
and all the stocks jumped. We're kind of seeing, some differential in movements right now. But what's the innovation that you think needs to happen?
I think the innovation we'll see on the consumer side will be about, progressively preparing your day, your experience. The way you browse today is very much controlled by you, and now you'd have an AI co-pilot with you, an AI partner in that journey. So as we think about looking where we want to travel, our preferences are built into that decision-making process. The automation to make it a simple flow, that is very real and will happen. It's not here today, but it will happen. And owning these platforms is how these companies want to do that. On the enterprise side, it's a much clearer path. It is about automation. It is about the reduction. It is about ROI. And I think that is a very firm area. The consumer side, though, is a battle for preference, and you have to win the end user's ideal of what they want to use first before you can deliver that value.
So you're talking a lot about the consumer side, but what about enterprise AI?
Yeah.
Are you worried about that disrupting your business? You have a secure browser.
Yeah.
Cybersecurity, you're at least cybersecurity adjacent. I think that's fair to say.
Yeah.
Are you worried that a large enterprise like a Salesforce may integrate either its own AI chatbot or another one, and it will reduce the need for a secure browser?
So no, for us, it's a big boom to what we're doing. And the way we did is we made an AI portal so we can integrate into all of these functions. So right now what's happening, a big enterprise, banks, healthcares, they want to embrace as much AI as possible, but the security concerns, the data leakage concerns, and the non-deterministic behavior of the algorithms themselves all create for a difficult environment for rapid adoption. We try to open that up. So we built our own agentic browser into it. We've got our own AI platforms, but more importantly, we integrate to all these great innovative companies, and we bring them into the enterprise.
So with that said, can I put you on the spot?
Please.
I would imagine that your company's as agnostic to which one of these browsers and chatbots, but which one do you think is the best for enterprise right now?
The best for enterprise right now, it is hard to not support Microsoft, given they started with that concept. Most of the other AI players started on the consumer side and are now saying, look at what we can do in the enterprise. So Microsoft has a lead in the understanding of the enterprise, but if you look at a ChatGPT and some of the other ones like Perplexity coming up, the tech is really good. So it'll be interesting to see that play out. But for the moment, enterprise Salesforce, enterprise access, enterprise contracts, Microsoft's in a good spot.